Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the screw securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the fan. Disconnect the cables. Grip the tabs on the fan and lift it upward, holding it. Slide the fan outwards and remove the fan away from the chassis. Identify the memory module. Carefully spread apart the securing clips. Grasp the memory module near the securing clip. To reinstall the memory module, optional, installing the thermal pad. Peel back the backing of the thermal pad halfway. Align the thermal pad over the thermal pad area. Peel off the protective layer from the thermal pad. Align the notch on the memory module. Press down on the memory module until the memory module snaps into position and the securing clips lock in place. Slide the fan at a certain angle into its slot. Press the fan downwards until it snaps into place. Connect the fan cable to its connector. Place the side cover on the chassis by aligning the tabs on the side cover with the slots on the chassis. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer. Tighten the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.